Hello you guys, it is Kaylee here with Embrace the Adventure, and we have finally arrived after 6 hours on the road. We have arrived to our halfway stop. We are staying at Birmingham South Campground located in Pelham, Alabama. And tomorrow we only have about a 3.5 to 4 hour drive to our final destination. So we have stayed here before, but they've definitely made some changes. And it continues to be one of our favorite places, especially heading from Indiana to the coast. So let's just tour this place. Come check it out. There is a fenced-in dog park, so this is nice for you guys with fur babies. I know that we've been to a couple different campgrounds that just have kind of an open area, almost like a field, and on the map it's labeled dog park, but we like for Jax to be leashed or in a contained area just to prevent him from running off or another dog getting to him, what have you. So it's nothing special, it's not big at all, but it is a place where they can kind of walk around. And then right next to this dog park, there are these little cabins. They seem to be really nice. I have never been inside one of them, but they look really cute, really nice. Sorry about the big pile in front of me. Looks like just collected wood. And then in the center, it says camping kitchen. I did check that out. I'll insert that clip now, but the water and stovetop does not work. So it's still a sheltered area, so nice to get out of the rain, maybe sit and have some conversation. But yeah, none of the kitchen items in there going, you know, like the sink, the stove or whatever, those are not functional, but it is a covered place, so you can escape the rain at least. And if we pan over just a little bit, so this says tent camping. And right when you pull in, it says no tent camping allowed. So I don't know, I'm pretty sure this was just a thing when it used to be a KOA here. I have not seen any tents here, and there is a sign up front that says no tent camping, but that says, like, you know, T3 for tent 3. That was, I guess, their tent area, and they have not renovated it yet. Okay, and we're just circling around, you guys, so I'll speed this portion up. But I do want you to know that some of the sites here are very unlevel and some are very level. And they have recently poured 2, I believe, I've only seen 2 new concrete sites. So if you call to book and you're wanting a really nice site, you can see the cones over there. They have just poured these new concrete sites. So as you can see, some of the ground is pretty worn and the sites are the same way. But if you book these, and several of the other spots are nice as well, but if you're wanting a really, you know, if you're trying this place out, especially on a whim and you're just wanting a really nice site, book, it says 52 and let's see, and 53. So do you see that? It's like freshly poured concrete, whereas this one, the ground is kind of like that. So this is a really safe bet. And again, that's site number 52, freshly poured concrete, looks pretty level. And then the one next to that, which I believe is 53. So that's a very nice added touch. That was not here last time, so very cool. And we're just cruising around. They do have a propane filling station, which is always nice, always appreciated. And then they have this playground, which we spent most of yesterday at, of course. The kids were so excited, but it is a very nice playground. They do love it. There we are. And we are in site 54. It's pretty narrow, you guys. I mean, pretty darn narrow, but it was pretty level, so no complaints there. Okay, and you can see some of the road is pretty rough. So again, when you book, just you can kind of request a more level site, if you will. And there's parking over there, and you come in through these yellow little poles, and that's going to be your bathroom and showers over there. Let's see. restrooms and showers. Again, you can exit and enter through there. And then here's your laundry facility. Okay, so a really good size. Let's see, let's get in here. Yeah, they all look to be pretty new. And here's the pricing. So, and they do have quarters available. They have a little TV in here. I like that for folding clothes, trash can. So yeah, nice little laundry room. And we keep circling around here. And there are benches, which are nice. That's closed off, so I'm not sure if that's a rentable area upstairs or whatnot. More seating over here. They do have those string lights, which is a very nice touch. Over here they have a big TV, and I'm assuming that would have pool equipment or pool type toys and whatnot. And then here is the pool. And again, there's the road that you would turn in here. So the pool is right at the entryway. Very nice. I like the concrete. So that's very nice. I do like that a lot. And there's kind of a pavilion, and that loops back around to the cabins. So nice little common area there. Okay, so this is what I was talking about before. It says no tent camping allowed. So I'm pretty certain that that tent area was from the, back when it was a KOA. So here is a park map for you guys. You can see. All right, I think that gives a pretty good overview. Yeah, night registration is right here next to the office. And it is really well lit too. That's something that's important. Here's the logo. And then they have a camp store, and that's also where you check in. And again, we're just looping back around to where you would pull in. And here's the other entrance to the pool. Another view. So definitely nice. A lot of seating. Landscaping is really pretty. Yeah. Okay, and there's your dumpster over there. So you do have to walk your trash. It's right next to B14. And then I'm walking the front ways to our campsite. So as you can see, this area is really shaded. It's really pretty. And one thing, guys, that's very important is online. If you're booking here online, the maximum it will let you do is 43 feet. So I had to say we're 43 feet, even though we're 43.11, but you have plenty of space, So don't let that freak you out. Again, we're 43.11, so do not let that freak you out. So if you're booking online, no worries. But yeah, this is our site. We really enjoy this place, especially when we're traveling from Indiana to Florida. We thoroughly enjoy our stay, love the playground, love the pool. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.